Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue while launching any game, especially the Fallout 4. You got an error, x input 1_3 was not found and the code execution cannot proceed. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. In the first step, simply you need to right click on the game and go to its properties. From the left pane, click on the option install files. Here you will find the option of verify integrity of the game files. Go ahead, click on it. Once it is fully verified, try to relaunch the game and hopefully this will fix out the issue. If not, you need to open up your web browser and open up this Microsoft official website. From here, you need to download the directx version by clicking on this download link. Click on the link, save the installer into your system, and once it is downloaded, click on the installer to install the directx into your system. Once it is fully installed, go ahead and try to relaunch your game and hopefully this time the issue of x input 1_3 will be completely fixed out. Although, if this also failed to work out, in next step you need to install each and every version of the directx into your system. And to do so, again here is the official website of the Tech Power Up. From here, you need to click on this download option to download all-in-one Visual C++ as well as directx runtime into your system. Select any of the mirror available right over here to start the download process. Now once the download is completed, open the zip folder and you will find all the directx version. First of all, you need to extract each and everything inside this folder. Once extracted, here is the install_all option. Simply right click on it and choose the option run as administrator. After choosing run as administrator, this command will automatically install all these Visual C++ versions into a system, and whichever version is missing will also be installed into a PC. Once installed, you are ready to launch the game and the issue of x input 1_3 was not found will be completely fixed out. So that's all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.